Hi guys, so we have received another lure from Bear King. So itong lure na to is basically a lure that is actually best used for ultralight fishing. Kung titingnan nyo naman, napakaganda ng lure na to. So sa wakas, nabuksan na rin natin yung lure. So kung titingnan nyo, napakaliit ng lure na to. This lure is just 2.3 grams. And kung titingnan nyo naman yung lure na to, kahit maliit siya, the attention to detail, napakaganda. And yung design ng lure, if you look at closely, streamlined yung kanyang body, which means, yes, even though napakalight ng lure na to, you could actually cast this lure quite far. And if you look at the eyes, napaka-realistic ng 3D eye. The paint job is amazing. And 10 colors yung mapagpipilian nyo sa lure na to. So I'll show the catalog, yung mga colors na available. And this lure, actually, yung treble hook niya is already upgraded. And yes, this is also coated with anti-rust na. And the split ring, napakaliit ng split ring, pero kung titingnan nyo, quality rin yung kanyang split ring. So sa lure na to, meron silang specific rattle system na in-implement. So basically, there is a spherical ball or steel ball that is freely moving sa loob ng lure. And at the same time, sa tail section ng lure, there is also a fixed steel ball. So when this freely moving ball hits the tail section, it creates a high pitch sound which basically encourages the fish and triggers their predatory behavior. So if you are interested in buying this lure, this is only 2.3 grams na lure, and kung titingnan nyo, napakaliit ng lure na to. So very good for ultralight fishing. So if you are interested in this lure, which personally, I really want to try this out agad, probably bukas agad. So just click the yellow basket and ilalagay ko rin to sa aking showcase.